sent our Towanda Area School District team toward Unity Laundry Systems in Dusher, PA, a manufacturer of high-end Hoffman laundry presses and boiler systems, built from scratch and shipped all over the world. Their tagline, Care Beyond Clothes, inspired us to want to know more about the people in manufacturing.
Hey, my name is Mike Rogan, and I'm the production director here at Unity in Dusher. So I graduated as a mechanical engineer about 8 years ago, and since then I've always wanted to work in manufacturing. I've always loved seeing products come together, from raw materials, and I really love what we do here in Dusher at Unity. Making the Hoffman products especially, we take the things from bare steel like we can see here, and we can build them up into finished products, right from scratch, and it's really cool to see that happen before your eyes.
I'm Dakota Preston. It brings a lot of work to the community. It's just a good place to work, very good people.
Hi Allison, I'm Nicole Loop. I'm the supply chain manager at Unity Lab. The coolest thing about Unity Lab is the fact that we make presses and boilers and laundry washing machines that go all over the world. We are a small town company based in Dusher, Pennsylvania, a town with one red light for the entire county, and we can ship things all over the world for many, many businesses.
Mike King. Well, I like to build things, so this is perfect for me. Well, it helps keep everybody working, I guess.
I like to think that what we're doing here is affecting people in a good way. If we can come to work and give people a nice place to work, where we can do a job and make a good living and, help those people improve their daily lives, then, that's a day's work well done. So, absolutely not. This is honestly my dream job right here. So I grew up in Dusher, this is my hometown. To work in a manufacturing facility like this and be doing something as impactful as what Unity is doing here, this is literally a dream come true for me.
We learned the people in manufacturing are what's so cool about manufacturing, because those people care.